SA 700 Forming an Opinion and Reporting on Financial Statements. Forms of Opinion. Unmodified opinion. The auditor shall express an unmodified opinion when the auditor concludes that the financial statements are prepared in all material respects in accordance with applicable financial reporting framework. It is a clean opinion actually. Modified opinion. The auditor shall modify the opinion in the auditor's report in accordance with SA 705 if the auditor A. concludes that based on the audit evidence obtained, the financial statements as a whole are not free from material misstatements. B. is unable to obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence to conclude that financial statements are free from material misstatements. Auditor's report. Auditor's opinion. The first section of auditor's report shall include auditor's opinion and shall have the heading Opinion. The opinion section of auditor's report shall also A. identify the entity whose financial statements have been audited. B. state that the financial statements have been audited. C. identify the title of each statement comprising the financial statements. D. refer to the notes including the summary of significant accounting policies. And E. specify the date of or the period covered by each financial statement comprising the financial statements. Basis for opinion. The auditor's report shall include a section directly following the opinion section with the heading Basis for opinion that A. states that the audit was conducted in accordance with the standards on auditing. B. refers to the section of auditor's report that describes the auditor responsibilities under the SAs. C. includes a statement that auditor is independent of the entity in accordance with relevant ethical requirements relating to the audit and has fulfilled the auditor's other ethical responsibilities in accordance with these requirements. D. states whether the auditor believes that the audit evidence the auditor has obtained is sufficient and appropriate to provide basis for auditor's opinion. Thus, basis for opinion section provides important context about the auditor's opinion. Specific evaluations by the auditor. The auditor shall evaluate whether the financial statements adequately disclose the significant accounting policies selected and applied. B. the accounting policies selected and applied are consistent with the applicable financial reporting framework and are appropriate. C. the accounting estimates made by the management are reasonable. D. the information presented in the financial statement is relevant, reliable, comparable, and understandable. E. the financial statements provide adequate disclosures to enable the intended users to understand the effect of material transaction and event on the information conveyed in the financial statements. And F. the terminology used in the financial statements, including the title of each financial statement, is appropriate.